She tried to separate him from Sita by asking him to leave Sita and marry her. But Rama refused. He said, ask Lakshman. Lakshman also refused. This made Surpanakha angry, and she resumed her real form, the demon